Hello, welcome to everybody to online biology class for class 12 biology. Here in this chapter, in this today's lecture, I will explain the human reproduction. And myself, Dr. Devbrato Mukherjee, PGT Biology, Kendra Vidyalaya number 1, Kachrapada, Kolkata region. What are the aspects we have to discuss here? The first we shall talk about the male reproductive system, next female reproductive system, gametogenesis, menstrual cycle, fertilization and implantation, next pregnancy and embryonic development, and at last we shall explain parturition and lactation. So first we have to know about what are the specific reproductive events in human being. Actually, what is the speciality of the human being? About these are actually viviparous. That means the female after pregnancy, if it is successful, then directly giving birth to the young ones. Obviously, there are some phases of the reproductive events. The first one is called gametogenesis. Second stage is called insemination. Third one is said to be the fertilization. Fourth one is implantation. Fifth is gestation, and sixth is the embryonic development. And above all, embryonic development is called gestation, and sixth point is the parturition. What do you mean by the term the gametogenesis? The gametogenesis exactly covering the concept of the formation of gametes. Next one, how to express the insemination? Insemination means the sperm is transferred into the female genital tract. And third one is fertilization. Everybody knows the fusion of male and female gamete is the process of fertilization. And to form the zygote, exactly the fertilization definition, formation of zygote should be there. And the next is the implantation. Implantation means the formation and development of blastocysts, and it will be attached to the uterine wall. And whenever these are attached to the uterine wall, then the procedure gestation comes. Gestation means embryonic development, and at last our sixth point is parturition. Parturition is the delivery of the young. So here we are showing you YouTube video links also, and you follow the link and then you could get the different video lectures on this very chapter. It has been given chapter wise. Next we have our today's topic is male reproductive system and its different parts. What is exactly the talking about the male reproductive system? There are the process, basically where is it located, that is important. Male reproductive system, you see it is located in the pelvic region. Here the pelvic region is marked here, and exactly what are the parts of the male reproductive system? There is a pair of testes, accessory duct, glands, and external genitalia. Whenever talking about the testes, we have to discuss about where the testis is located. Exactly, the testis is located outside the abdominal cavity. And you see in this picture it is very clear. It will be the outside the abdominal cavity, and which is marked here, and along with the abdominal cavity, there is a pouch. This very pouch is set with the scrotum, and scrotum is maintaining the low temperature of the testes. There will be the exactly this very low temperature which is lower than the normal body temperature. How much lower? It will lower 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the body temperature. So here the testis is located in the scrotum because of this temperature is required for spermatogenesis. So here we are showing you the pictures of the sectional view of the male pelvis, showing the reproductive system. Here you see the pair of testes are very prominent. So the next we have to discuss about the male reproductive system, which has been going on. There are the different parts are there, which are, I have already said you, there will be along with the testes, there will be accessory duct. These are glands and external genitalia. So next we have to be going to explain this picture also. Here the clearly round marking about the testes, and here is also the sectional view of testes. Different parts of testis we will discuss. Next, duct means first differentia, and there will be the different glands also: bulbourethral gland, prostate gland. There is also seminal vesicule, and ultimately the urethra. So when talking about all the points, so the first discussion about the testes. So the how is it there? It is oval in shape, and the length about 4 to 5 centimeter, wide about 2 to 3 centimeter, and covered by a dense there will be a dense covering also there. And every testis, if you talk about a section of a testis, if you do have a section here, you will be getting see the picture. Later we will discuss elaborately. Many lobules are there, 250 compartments are there. See, these are the 250 compartments which are called testicular lobule. Whenever you see here, I am marking the testicular lobule, 250 sections, chambers are there inside. And let us talk about what is there within the testicular lobule. Every lobule, each lobule is composed of a 1 to 3 highly packed the seminiferous tubule. How is it looking like? Let us show you if you take a section of a testicular lobule, you could get the it is 1, 2, 3, 2 to 3 packed seminiferous tubule, and within the seminiferous tubule I am marking it. These are the sperms which are produced inside. And the seminiferous tubule, you see, this one is a marked seminiferous tubule. It is lined on the two types of cells are found there. One is a male gamete and second one is the Sertoli cell. The first one is the male gamete and it is called the spermatogonia and Sertoli cell. Both the male gametes and Sertoli cells are found here. So next class we shall explain about how the male gametes are formed within the seminiferous tubule. What is the role of the Sertoli cell, and is there any other cell present? Let us see the next video where I will be discussing the portion, the next part, the sectional view of a seminiferous tubule, in which how the spermatogonia are produced. What is the role of Sertoli cell there? And another cell is there in the border, interstitial cell. What's their function? That we'll discuss in the next video lecture. Thank you very much.